So we've had a few questions in on the Coronet Herald and the overall dimensions. As you can see, as we're set up now, we've got this with the bed extension on. But if it was set up without the bed extension on, the maximum we can get between centres is 20 inch, which is 508mm. So using the bed extension, that gives us another 410mm. So we go up to 36 inch or 918mm between centres. As you can see from the setup, we've got it on the bench feet and also the legs. And we're being asked the height of the centre or the centre of the 4-prong drive from the floor. So in the setup at the moment, we've got that at 45 inch. So that's 1140mm from the floor to the centre of the 4-prong drive. Then we come to the bowl turning. As we're doing the bowl turning, we've got 360mm or 14 inch diameter that we can turn the bowl on over the bed. But what we'd normally do is we'd bring the headstock up a little bit, rotate round, and then you'd take the tool rest out and replace with the outrigger, and then put the tool rest back in. And then in that position there, we'll get 21 inch maximum, which is 530mm bowl turning capacity. And you can see also we've got the inline stop switch, which is magnetised, available, that can be connected onto the main machine. So that's the basic dimensions of the machine. If you have any more questions or any more dimensions you need to know, just let us know and we'll get back to you.